10120 3rd Avenue Northwest. Looks like original hardwood floors. Fireplace. Small kitchen. Decent, that's, decent sized kitchen.
All appliances. Does it normally will include, right?
Yes, yes. Unless maybe a short sale, then they don't include. Looks like a 10 by 10 bedroom. 10 feet by 10 feet, maybe. So upstairs and downstairs. Looks like the original bath. And bedroom.
Another bedroom.
2 bedrooms on this floor.
Yeah.
And then bedroom up, I think 2 bedroom upstairs. So 1 bedroom here, and then there is a full bath, 3/4 bath upstairs. Another bedroom. And then we'll go downstairs. John O. Scott coming downstairs. Full laundry room. It's good size down here.
It's very big.
Good size headroom. Possibly make us into another unit.
It's not a garage, right?
No, there's no garage here, I don't think.